The workplace is transforming at an unprecedented pace, driven by the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and digital technologies. For years, employees were seen primarily as assets, resources to be optimized for maximum productivity and efficiency, much like machines in a factory. But this outdated model is quickly fading as organizations realize its limitations in a changing world. Now leading organizations are shifting their focus to the human experience, recognizing employees as individuals with unique needs, talents, and aspirations. Employee well-being, a sense of purpose, and genuine engagement are now seen as essential ingredients for innovation, creativity, and long-term business success. This profound shift is fueled by a new generation entering the workforce, one that seeks meaning, flexibility, and a sense of belonging in their careers, and by fierce competition for top talent, making it more important than ever for companies to stand out as employers of choice. AI is the catalyst for this transformation, enabling companies to personalize employee experiences and automate routine tasks, freeing HR teams to focus on people, not just paperwork. With AI, organizations can move beyond one-size-fits-all policies, making employees feel truly valued and supported from their very first day. The future belongs to companies that invest in their people as whole humans, nurturing their growth, well-being, and potential, not just treating them as capital. AI is reshaping the way organizations manage talent, transforming traditional HR processes into dynamic, data-driven experiences. Every stage of the employee journey, from recruitment to development and retention, is being enhanced by intelligent automation and smart analytics. In recruitment, AI scans thousands of resumes in minutes, identifying top candidates and reducing time to hire, while also minimizing unconscious bias in the selection process. Companies like Unilever use AI-driven assessments to diversify and streamline hiring, ensuring fairer opportunities for all applicants and improving overall workforce quality. Once hired, AI personalizes learning, recommending courses and mentors tailored to each employee's goals, helping them upskill faster and stay engaged in their roles. AT&T's AI-powered reskilling helps employees adapt and grow within the company, supporting career mobility and future-proofing the workforce. Performance management is now continuous, with AI prompting regular feedback, analyzing team morale, and helping leaders make better decisions for their teams. Chatbots handle routine HR questions instantly, freeing HR professionals to focus on strategic work and employee well-being. AI delivers a seamless, on-demand work experience, boosting satisfaction, productivity, and efficiency across the organization. AI promises a fairer, more equitable workplace where everyone has a chance to thrive and contribute their best. By focusing on skills and performance, AI can reduce bias in hiring and promotions, opening doors for overlooked talent and ensuring that opportunities are based on merit, not background or connections. Automated recruitment tools provide instant feedback, making the hiring process more transparent and efficient, which improves both the candidate experience and the employer brand. AI frees HR from repetitive admin tasks, allowing them to focus on building a positive workplace culture and driving employee engagement. Personalization is now possible at scale. AI suggests projects, mentors, and roles tailored to each employee's unique strengths and aspirations, helping people grow in ways that matter to them. Hilton's AI platform increased internal mobility, empowering staff to build long-term careers and discover new opportunities within the company. When employees see fair processes and real growth opportunities, loyalty and motivation soar, creating a more committed and energized workforce. Research shows AI-driven HR boosts engagement and business performance, leading to stronger results for organizations of all sizes. Technology and human experience now fuel each other in a virtuous cycle, driving innovation and positive change across the workplace. AI in HR brings risks that must be managed. Data privacy is a major concern. Constant monitoring can erode trust and stifle creativity. Algorithmic bias is another risk. If AI learns from biased data, it can perpetuate discrimination. Teams like LinkedIn's AI Fairness team work to audit and reduce bias. Over-automation can make HR interactions feel impersonal, losing the human touch. Digital overload is real. Too many tools can overwhelm employees. Seamless, intuitive integration is essential to avoid tech fatigue. Success requires balancing efficiency with empathy and simplicity. AI should enhance, not replace, the human connection at work. The future isn't tech versus humanity, it's their perfect blend. The best organizations use AI to augment, not replace human judgment. AI can screen resumes, but people make the final call. Transparency about AI use builds trust. Ethical guidelines and regular audits are essential. Companies must invest in AI literacy and reskilling, ensuring employees thrive alongside technology. The new contract, not lifetime jobs, but lifetime employability. Let AI handle the routine, so people can connect, create, and lead. The future of work is a hybrid, technology serving humanity for happier, more productive workplaces.